Hello and welcome. First, let me say this clearly. You did not waste your money on this course. You made a smart decision for your business. My name is Deborah Rafiu and I am the founder of Sholadrim 247 Consults. I work with business owners and vendors to help them put proper record-keeping system in place and become tax ready, using different practical tools like Zoho Books. This masterclass was created because too many businesses are struggling, not because they are not making sales, but because they do not understand their numbers. When records are wrong, profit is unclear, and tax issue appears. This training fixes that. Everything you will learn here is practical, simple, and actionable. No accounting grammar, no confusion. Feel free to ask any question at any time. You will see exactly what to do, how to do it, and why it matters to do it. If you stay committed and follow the video step by step, you will leave this class with clarity about your business records, confidence in using Zoho Books, and peace of mind going into the tax era. I encourage you to watch each section of the video carefully, take notes, and practice alongside the video. This is not content to rush. This is knowledge to apply. So therefore, make sure you use this knowledge properly. And once again, welcome. You are in the right place. Let's begin. Right now, we'll go straight to our first video. Make sure you watch the video, drop your question, and don't forget to do any class activity that was mentioned in each of the video as your practical step of learning. Let's go there.